Hi, my name's Cassandra. I am just thinking, because we're all going to be spending a bit more time at home because of the coronavirus at the moment, myself included, that it might be worth just having a bit of a chat to you guys about home offices. I'm an interior designer, and so you might think that my home office is some amazing magical pixie land, but unfortunately, as I have a job and two children, this is what my home office looks like. It's in my bedroom. As a result, it's not as great as it could be, and I just thought that I could show you with the things that I have at home, because obviously we're all on a bit of a budget at the moment with uncertain future, that it might be worth just showing you how I can make this space look better with what I already have at home. I don't know, you're probably all a bit like me. We've already all got way too much stuff. And so let's just try and be creative about how we use the things that we already have in our homes to be able to make our space that we're going to be spending a bit more time in working nicer. So there are a few things that I'm going to do to start out. The first one is decluttering. The second one is that I just want to reposition everything in this room, because at the moment the desk is right next to the clothes and it just feels a bit squished up into the corner. And yeah, just see if I can move the bed or the TV. Then I want to add some extra light, because it's a bit sort of dreary in here without any extra lamp. It always just brings a bit more softness to a space. Also, I just want to add a plant and some little sort of accessories or trinkets that will make the space just feel warmer and more inviting and give it a bit more life. Okay, so what I was thinking is the bed's pretty massive and that's a pretty good spot for it, so I'm going to leave it there. But I was thinking, we don't watch television in bed at all. The boys just play video games on it, which I could take it or leave it. Leave it. Anyway, so I was thinking about putting the desk over there because it's just a bit more open and nice. And then if I put a light over there as well, it's going to just give the room a really nice feeling. And yeah, then I could put the gaming situation over here. So turns out this bed is ridiculously big. Don't get a king size bed, people. Stick with a queen. Also, because of that, I'm having to rethink the whole thing, because the desk didn't fit at the end of the bed. Well, it did, but you couldn't like have a chair and then it would just be really bad. So I'm reshuffling the whole room. I feel like the dust bunnies that were underneath the bed, and especially the crap that was on my husband's bedside table, is grounds for divorce. But I'm going to let it slide this time, just this time, and see how we go. But as soon as this has all been organized, come back to me and I'll show you how we're going. Okay, so it's day 2. I went down the rabbit hole of cleaning everything that was in the cupboard, which made everything take a lot longer. But essentially, I mean, it didn't take that long. And I think at the end of the day, just moving things around makes you feel like everything's fresh. Everything that's in here was in here before. It's just everything's been moved around and tidied up and things have been taken away. Obviously, if you have a look over at the desk, it looks really nice, neat place to work. Maybe you can have a little tour around. But it's not my ideal desk. In a perfect world, I'd have a really modern desk that looked different, instead of this one that we've had for the last 22 years from IKEA. but you know, way to go IKEA. Anyway, this is it, and I'm really happy with it. I think it's great, and we've added some plants and some lamps and just rearranged everything, and it looks great. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Bye. Help me.